We're back, bitches, and we are about to watch the main event of the evening.
The main event of
Diaz
the evening
versus Conor McGregor. Conor has always promoted himself as a business-oriented fighter. Recently, he's gone so far as to patent the term the Mac Life and his nickname the Notorious, as well as tapping real fast to a rear naked choke. Put a patent on that, so if you do it, you gotta pay him money.
Oh,
yeah,
smart.
He looks fucking terrible. He's still flexing.
Always be flexing.
What
you're
the
not
fuck
Vince
is
McMahon.
that?
You're not Vince McMahon.
What
Stop doing
is that?
Stupid
He's doing
walk.
like the SpongeBob walk.
Yeah.
They have a lot of red jackets in the cage right now. A lot of event staff.
Yeah.
Just in case they have to separate them before the fight begins.
This is so overly dramatic. Like,
look at this shit.
Stop that.
The fucking octagon is cordoned off. So he is entering the octagon. He's not even going to be able to walk around the octagon fully. He's
That's
pinned
messed
into
up,
his
man.
side. Yeah.
This is so stupid. They're not even going to be able to stand next to each other.
No touch of gloves.
Or not.
About to get this shit started. Attacking Diaz's lead leg might be one of his big points. Diaz has shown susceptibility to having that lead leg chopped down. Both the Diaz brothers lean very heavy on their front legs, so we're going to see if McGregor continues to attack the leg. We're going to see if he is more economical with his striking. Oh! McGregor lands a pretty solid left that looked to have shaken Diaz.
Oh,
and he drops him.
Shit.
And Nate is on his back. I think he's going to want to find that distance and just look to land a couple of clean shots on McGregor. Yeah, McGregor's fighting a way more tactical fight. I bet McGregor feels like on the strength of that knockdown, he's got this round in the bag right now.
Yes.
I bet he's going to ride this round out.
Looks like he's going for
No,
some stuff.
he's going to keep... He's still going for it, but I think he's going to look to mainly keep distance. And he's not going to try to finish this fight in the first round.
Nice,
oh, Stockton slap number one. Diaz is getting his hands working.
A couple things. He's hit him a couple times, but McGregor has this round.
So far, he has eaten about 8 or 9 solid kicks to the outside of that front leg.
Ooh, he definitely ate a big leg kick just now.
And his legs got chopped out from underneath him. Now he's got his hands working. He's looking to lean in and throw the left behind that Lent-in offense he has. Yep, McGregor is playing tactical. He's got this round in the bag. He's not going to risk anything for the rest of this round. He's going to keep his gas tank up. He's not going to engage. And he is going to look to frustrate. So it's on Diaz to change the complexion of this fight, because McGregor could, if his cardio holds up, he could do that for the next 4 rounds.
Let's hope not. Oh my God, he got dropped again.
It looks like whatever training McGregor has been doing
it's been effective.
Has really smartened up his striking. Oh, and Diaz is down for the second time
really, really bad.
in the second round. He looks to be hurt, and he'd like to fight off his back here if he could, but McGregor's going to let him up. McGregor's left has dropped him 3 times this fight. Right hand from Diaz.
A lot of shots, though.
But he doesn't need to get in that close. He needs to keep McGregor at range.
Yeah.
The fight is leveled off a little towards the end of the second round. Diaz is finding his range. He's connecting, but again, the second round, 2 knockdowns, that's a McGregor round. That could be a 10-8 McGregor round if they really have passed a mandate about 10-8 rounds. And now McGregor is looking to disengage. He has started to find his range.
What is this running thing?
McGregor, he's got his game plan. He's got the round. He's not going to engage on the strength of those 2 takedowns. Oh, Diaz finds McGregor stumbles up against the cage. Now Diaz is going to unleash a flurry, and now Diaz can do some clinch work. He doesn't have to worry about McGregor taking him down. He doesn't care about that.
Yeah.
He's going to keep McGregor pinned against the cage. He's working some hooks. He is landing.
This is now...
I would say this is now a 10-9 round for McGregor.
Yeah, for sure. Yes!
Yeah!
Yes!
Throws up the double bicep, heading back to his corner.
Go!
We're not partial to Diaz or anything like that. Cutman is working overtime in the Diaz corner.
As always.
Both times Diaz was dropped off a left hand. I think those first 2 rounds, I think we've seen McGregor's best.
Yeah, now it's time for Diaz.
Diaz is looking pretty fresh coming into the third. McGregor not looking quite as fresh. Diaz has a big deficit he's got to make up now. He's got to win these 3 rounds or finish the fight. And now Diaz is starting to get off first, and McGregor is not finding that counter left as easily. McGregor is breathing from his mouth now. It's labored. Oh!
Yes!
With the 1-2. That's the combo that hurt him in that first
clinch.
fight. Diaz takes it into the clinch. While wearing, this isn't big in the judge's eyes. If this goes to a decision, this is not really helping Diaz right now. I think McGregor's punches aren't going to have that same pop. And now I think if Diaz starts touching him up, we're going to see some problems arise for one Conor McGregor.
His back to him? I don't understand.
Because he game planned to go 5 rounds. And Diaz is fucking
nice
catches a spinning back kick, walks him into the cage.
Time to go, buddy.
They're fighting for underhooks against the cage, and they're throwing shots, and it looks like McGregor's talking to him.
Of course. He never stops talking.
That's what Nate needs.
Yeah.
If he's going to get...
Why does he keep running like that? What is this running bullshit?
Diaz is pulling that... I'm going to point at you after I hit you shit. McGregor is tired.
What is this? He looks so tired.
This is Conor McGregor decides to go 5 rounds right here. And this round is close. I don't know who's winning this round. Oh! Nate's slapping him up. And he's pointing at him, but...
Diaz continues like this, it's Diaz's round,
can't leave these rounds close.
Yes!
That's what's up.
That's it. This is Diaz's round for sure.
Yeah, now it is.
Yeah, look at this. He's just fucking lighting him up.
Flurry of hooks against the cage, going to work on the body and the head. McGregor's still with it, but Diaz is winging these shots. McGregor looks like he is wilting. Yeah, this is great.
He could finish him right now.
If he had some more time in the round, he might. But no, McGregor's going to make it out of this round. But that's what Diaz needed to do. Big John's looking at Conor McGregor as he walks to his corner.
Making sure he's all right. That's a good sign.
I always say it. I don't know where the Diaz brothers put the power in their punches, but it is there. And the way they throw them, it doesn't exhaust their arms. It doesn't blow out their muscles. They could throw these punches 5 rounds. Nate is boxing McGregor up at this point. Round 4 about to get underway.
Big John asked McGregor, can you continue?
He asked if he was all right when he got up. Diaz can't get in a hole in any of these rounds. He's pawing at his eye. His eye's bothering him. He's pawing at both eyes now. Blood is coming out of both of his eyes.
Yeah, it sucks that he has that problem.
Well, if he can't see, he's got to take it into a clinch. Take it to the ground. It's allowing McGregor time to recover. It's allowing McGregor to land offense. He's not fully committed to the takedown. He's got playing the underhooks game. He's got a single underhook. Now he's bringing punches to the body. He can clear that blood out of his eyes and go to work. He could finish strong in this round.
Oh boy. Nope, this is not good.
Yo, there. Oh,
come on, keep it going.
There.
Yes, he's wobbled.
There's a couple shots of wobble McGregor straight. Oh, that looping double right hook. Catches him on the end of it. Can Diaz pour it on? He's getting dunked to the body. This is not the kind of clinch that Nate Diaz wants. I think McGregor feels that the round is his.
He's good.
I think McGregor feels the round is his, and he's found a reserve of energy. So that's going to be 3 rounds to 1 McGregor. They just got to get those cuts controlled. He's cut on both eyes. He did the better work in round 4. Diaz's corner must have told him that he's got to finish this round. I don't know what McGregor's corner told him. Probably more of the same. But Diaz goes to work right away. He could knock him out this round. He could. Into the clinch. Now, if Diaz can take this to the ground, a round with McGregor pressed against the cage isn't going to win the fight. He needs to either unleash with the hands or finish on the ground. Diaz doesn't have to go for a double leg. He could just entangle his legs. Give up top position if you have to. Just take it down any way you can.
Triangle is this?
And now he's throwing, but McGregor's out.
What is this? Why isn't Diaz fucking jumping on his back and choking his ass out? This is bullshit. Who fucking fights turning their back to someone several times?
Because McGregor's engaging here, but Diaz is not.
McGregor won the fight.
Diaz is not winning this fight.
Nope.
Now Diaz flurrying against the cage. He could stop a fight right here if he lands.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Every second that ticks away is a second Diaz loses, and he is going for this takedown. But McGregor's fighting it.
This just sucks, man.
McGregor is fighting these takedowns like the fucking angel of death is waiting for him on that cage floor. Diaz might be winning this round. He's landed more strikes. But it doesn't matter. Even if he wins this round, that's 3 rounds to 2.
Yeah.
Diaz got him pressed up, but this is 30 seconds left. If the fight plays out this way, Diaz has just fought to a defeat.
What? They lied to us. They just hugged. Alright, so that happened.
Well, we got a trilogy.
It's a close decision. I love how McGregor said that now it's on his terms. Wasn't it on his terms in the second?
It was on his terms in the second.
And the first. He's like, stay comfortable. Stay at 170. We'll just fight at 170. That was his terms.
Fight is set up.
His terms for the second fight.
I would like to see a third fight at 155. Nate just said he's not coming back until the trilogy fight, so it might be a while till we see Nate again, because from what Dana White was saying, McGregor now has to drop back down to 45 or relinquish his belt. We're going to have to watch the post-fight press conference. We're going to have to see what is said there.
And see more commercials for CM Punk.
Alright. Signing off.
Yeah, so that happened. We're about to turn our AC back on. It's hot as balls in
here.
We're
going to sleep.
Peace!
Yeah!
Fight feeling this. Signing off.
No Joe Rogan, no bright lights, no scorpions, and no snake bites. Bitch rap that niggas get stage fright. Bypass that as your first mic fight, that's so wrong, but you real right. No flow left, you scared to death.